Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will review Moza Racing SRP pedals. Let's dive into what makes these pedals a compelling choice for sim racers. We'll explore their build quality, key features, and how they perform on the track. Understanding these aspects will help you decide if they fit your racing setup. Pay close attention to the customization options available, as they significantly impact your driving feel. The Moza SRP pedals boast impressive features designed for serious sim racers. The brake pedal's 200-kilogram load cell ensures incredibly accurate and consistent braking force, crucial for lap times. You can also adjust the spring and damper settings on the brake to perfectly match your preferred resistance and feel. The throttle and clutch pedals provide smooth, linear travel, enhancing overall control and immersion. When it comes to on-track performance, the Moza SRP pedals truly shine. The load cell brake allows for consistent and repeatable braking points, which is vital for shaving seconds off your lap times. You'll experience precise throttle control, helping you manage power delivery and maintain stability through corners. Furthermore, the robust, all-metal construction ensures zero flex, even during the most intense racing moments, providing a solid and reliable feel. Overall, the Moza SRP pedals deliver exceptional performance and build quality, making them a strong contender in their price range. They offer a premium feel and precise control that can genuinely elevate your sim racing experience. While their solid construction is a plus, ensure your rig can accommodate their weight and mounting requirements. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.